A pillar of fire blazing through the night sky, illuminating the darkness with its fierce glow. A rumble that shakes the ground, reverberating through the earth. A testament to the sheer power and force of human engineering. A plume of smoke reaching for the stars. A trail of ambition and dreams, marking the path of our journey into the cosmos. This wasn't a scene from a science fiction movie, but a real-life marvel unfolding before our eyes. A testament to what humanity can achieve. This was the awe-inspiring spectacle of a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket, launching 21 Webb satellites into the vast expanse of space, each satellite a beacon of connectivity. The roar of the engines echoed across the Florida coast, a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of a more connected future. The sound waves carried not just noise but the collective hopes and dreams of a generation. But this launch was about more than just impressive technology. It was a symbol of progress, a beacon of hope for those who have been left behind in the digital age. It represented a giant leap towards bridging the digital divide, connecting millions around the world to the power of the internet. In remote villages and underserved communities, these satellites would bring new opportunities, education, and a chance to be part of the global conversation. This endeavor, a collaboration between SpaceX and OneWeb, marked a pivotal moment in our journey to democratize access to information and opportunity. It was a partnership forged in the spirit of innovation and a shared vision for a better, more connected world. As the Falcon 9 ascended, it carried with it the hopes and aspirations of countless communities eager to join the global conversation. From students in rural schools to entrepreneurs in developing nations, the promise of connectivity was now within reach. It was a powerful reminder that the final frontier isn't just about exploring distant planets, but also about using space to improve life right here on Earth. The satellites orbiting above us are not just pieces of technology, they are lifelines, connecting us to each other and to the vast repository of human knowledge. The successful launch was met with cheers and celebrations, a moment of triumph for the engineers and scientists who had poured their hearts and souls into this mission. It was a victory not just for SpaceX and OneWeb, but for all of humanity. As we look to the future, we are reminded that every launch, every satellite brings us one step closer to a world where everyone, regardless of their location, has access to the tools and resources they need to thrive. The sky is no longer the limit, it is just the beginning. And so, as the rocket's trail faded into the night sky, we were left with a sense of wonder and possibility. The stars above us are not just distant points of light, they are destinations, goals, and dreams waiting to be realized. With each launch, we move closer to a future where the sky is filled with the lights of our collective ambition. SpaceX, the brainchild of entrepreneur Elon Musk, has become synonymous with pushing the boundaries of space exploration and technology. Founded on the principle of making space travel more affordable and accessible, SpaceX has revolutionized the industry. Their reusable Falcon 9 rocket, the workhorse behind this particular launch, embodies this vision. By landing the first stage of the rocket back on Earth, SpaceX drastically reduces the cost of spaceflight, making ambitious projects like OneWeb's constellation of satellites a reality. But SpaceX's ambitions extend far beyond Earth orbit. Their ultimate goal? To make humanity a multi-planetary species, with their sights set on establishing a self-sustaining colony on Mars. Each launch, each successful landing, brings us closer to that ambitious goal. The OneWeb mission, while focused on earthly connectivity, showcases the technologies and capabilities that will be crucial for future interplanetary endeavors. Imagine a world where geographical location no longer dictates access to information, education, or economic opportunities. A world where the digital divide is a thing of the past and everyone, regardless of where they live, has the same opportunities to learn, grow, and thrive. This is the future that OneWeb envisions, a world where high-speed, low-latency internet is available to everyone, everywhere. Imagine students in remote villages accessing the same educational resources as those in major cities, or small businesses in isolated areas reaching customers around the globe with just a click. Their ambitious plan? To create a constellation of hundreds of satellites blanketing the Earth in a seamless network of connectivity. These satellites will work together to provide consistent and reliable internet access, no matter where you are on the planet. This ambitious project aims to reach the most remote corners of the globe, bringing the transformative power of the internet to those who need it most. Imagine the impact on education, healthcare, and economic development in these areas. From remote villages in developing nations to ships at sea and airplanes in flight, OneWeb's satellite internet will break down barriers and unlock a world of possibilities. No longer will connectivity be limited by geography or infrastructure. Education can flourish in areas without schools. Students can participate in virtual classrooms, access online resources, and collaborate with peers from around the world, all from the comfort of their homes. Telemedicine can connect doctors to patients in underserved regions. Medical professionals can provide consultations, diagnose illnesses, and even monitor patients remotely, improving healthcare outcomes and saving lives. Entrepreneurs can tap into global markets, and communities can stay connected regardless of their physical location. Small businesses can expand their reach, and individuals can work remotely, opening up new economic opportunities. This launch, carrying 20 more satellites into orbit, brings OneWeb one step closer to realizing this vision. Each satellite launched is a step towards a more connected world, where everyone has the opportunity to succeed, no matter where they are. Section 4. A symphony of technology inside the launch and satellites. The launch of 20 OneWeb satellites aboard a Falcon 9 rocket was a carefully choreographed ballet of engineering and precision. Months of meticulous planning and rigorous testing culminated in this moment, where every second counted, and every component had to perform flawlessly. The engineers and scientists behind this mission worked tirelessly, ensuring that each satellite was perfectly calibrated and ready for its journey into space. The Falcon 9, a two-stage rocket designed for reliability and reusability, carried the precious cargo into low Earth orbit. This rocket, a marvel of modern engineering, has revolutionized space travel with its ability to be reused multiple times, significantly reducing the cost of space missions. As the rocket ascended through the atmosphere, it faced immense pressure and temperatures, but its robust design ensured a smooth journey. The first stage, responsible for the initial boost off the launch pad, separated after a few minutes and returned to Earth, landing gracefully on a drone ship stationed in the Atlantic Ocean. This precision landing is a testament to the advancements in rocket technology, allowing for the reuse of the first stage in future missions. The sight of the rocket descending with its landing legs deployed is a symbol of human ingenuity and the strides we've made in space exploration. Meanwhile, the second stage continued its journey, carrying the satellites to their designated orbit. This stage, equipped with a powerful engine, ensured that the satellites reached the precise altitude and position required for their mission. The coordination between the ground control team and the rocket's onboard systems was crucial in achieving this feat. Once in orbit, the satellites, each about the size of a refrigerator, gracefully unfolded their solar arrays and began transmitting data back to Earth. These solar arrays are essential for powering the satellites, harnessing the energy of the sun to keep them operational. The deployment process is a delicate operation, requiring precise timing and coordination to ensure that each satellite is correctly positioned and fully functional. These technological marvels are equipped with advanced antennas and communication systems capable of beaming high-speed internet to even the most remote corners of the planet. The ability to provide internet access to underserved areas is a game-changer, bridging the digital divide and opening up new opportunities for education, healthcare, and economic development. The satellite's advanced technology ensures reliable and fast internet connectivity, transforming lives and communities. The launch itself, and the technology behind it, is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of innovation. The collaboration between various teams, from engineers to scientists to mission control, highlights the collective effort required to achieve such a monumental task. The applause and celebrations in the control room are a reflection of the hard work and dedication that went into making this mission a success. Each successful mission paves the way for even more ambitious endeavors, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in space exploration and technological advancement. The knowledge and experience gained from these missions contribute to the continuous improvement of space technology, inspiring future generations of scientists and engineers. As we look to the stars, we are reminded of the limitless possibilities that lie ahead, driven by our curiosity and determination to explore the unknown. Section 5. Expanding the horizons of connectivity. The successful deployment of these 20 satellites represents a significant step forward in our quest for global internet access. As more satellites join the constellation, the dream of a truly connected world inches closer to reality. For those of us fortunate enough to have constant internet access, it's easy to take it for granted. We forget that billions of people around the world still lack this basic tool for communication, education, and economic empowerment. This launch is a powerful reminder that technology has the power to level the playing field, to connect us all regardless of where we live or our circumstances. Imagine the possibilities: students in remote villages accessing vast libraries of knowledge, entrepreneurs in developing nations connecting with global markets, families staying in touch across continents. This is the transformative power of connectivity, and it's a future worth striving for. Section 6. A call to the cosmos. Join the conversation. The launch of 21 Webb satellites is a potent reminder of the incredible things humanity can achieve when we set our sights on the stars. But this is just the beginning. As we continue to push the boundaries of space exploration and technology, the possibilities for improving life on Earth are limitless. What excites you